How much of an easy job was this? I'll be honest with you, this was an absolute pain in the arse. Hello and welcome to today's episode of Beyond the Pedal. As the title suggests, this is external mods for my Mercedes C200 AMG line. Very quickly want to point out before we get into this video, this is for AMG and AMG line videos. A lot of the mods won't work if you don't have AMG or AMG line. Okay, so how we're going to do today, very simple. I'm going to go around the car, show you all the mods I've done, how difficult it was to do said mods, and of course I'll leave a link in the description below for each of the mods if you want to get your hands on said mods. Mods, as the name suggests. So yes, external mods for your AMG or AMG line Whiskey 205 Mercedes C Class. Right, B-reels, product, around the car. Let's go. Right, it makes sense that we start from the back of the car and we'll work our way forward. Okay, so first things first, the ducktail spoiler on the back, as you can see. Again, done a video on that before, very simple enough to do, and of course with the debadging, again, a very simple enough job. 1 out of 5, maybe a 2 out of 5 for the ducktail spoiler. This is the easiest job on the planet. 1 out of 5 for the rear canards. Again, it's literally just a piece of adhesive tape that goes on the back, sticks in, very easy to do, and has stood the test of time really well. So when it says double-sided tape or anything like that, it really is. I've driven it in all sorts of weather conditions, sprayed it down. Again, please excuse the car, it is a mess because it is winter time here in the UK. Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, so super easy to do. Again, link in the description below. Same for the bonnet, same for the spoiler, and debadging easy enough. Next one coming again, I'm going to take you around in a bit of the old shade. That might be easier. Right, so as you can see, we've gone with the quad tailpipe and rear diffuser kit for this. Again, it's a C63 sort of look. I really enjoy it. Not that difficult to do. When I say not that difficult to do, again, this requires, I didn't use any sort of lift kit, as in any sort of jacks. I just did this as it was. So yes, it was a little bit of a fiddle, but nevertheless simple to do. So again, with this, you'll just need to be able to remove the rivets in the back. You will need, where you've got these little like pop cap type things, just get there's a special tool you can get on Amazon. Again, I'll put the link in the description below. Definitely a tool worth having when you're doing anything for your car. I will leave the link in the description below to help you out with that. But again, just going on this, again, the quad pipe, and then along here, so along this, if you can see there, that's it, it's cleared now. So along here, this kind of sits on top of the diffuser. This sits in nicely. It comes with all the rear sensors. You just basically push out your rear sensors and they just come back in. And then again, you get the kit to be able to make this all nice and flush. And again, in the gloss black, yeah, I think it looks all right. What do you think? So that's the rear. So like I say, quad pipe look and diffuser, rear canards, ducktail sort of spoiler, and of course debadging with the chrome kind of left to go with the badge. Left a bit more of the chrome on the side there. So yes, that's the rear. Done. Let me know what you think about the rear in the comments below. Next to the sides. Right, moving on to the sides. All we did here was we've just fitted the wind deflectors. Again, super easy to do. They just connect in. Again, no tools required. Really easy job. That just kind of gives it a little bit more of a look at the edge. And again, keeping the chrome on to go with the back and obviously the wheels. So moving around, that continues on to the front of the car. You'll have to excuse my shadow here. Right, so first things first, you may have seen the video about this splitter. Right, I just want to say something about that splitter. Hands down, the most surprising thing and surprising mod I've done with this car. It was the double-sided adhesive strips that you place on and just place the splitter on top. I honestly thought it was just going to fall off and be halfway down the motorway. Genuinely, for the price, I think I paid 80 quid for this. There is a video, you can look back for that. This was 80 odd quid. Hands down, the most surprising, and I still think looks great on this car. Tell me I'm wrong. I don't know. I mean, I think it looks great. Let me know what you think. But again, leave a link in the description below. Yeah, splitter, hands down, definitely something you should absolutely do. I absolutely rate it. It looks great, and it stayed on in, and I've driven it in every single condition possible. But yes, there you go, splitter. Right, next one. So, okay, very quickly, I just want to talk about this, the Dad Planner. This is everything you need to help you on your way in your early stages of fatherhood. If you're not a dad right now, but you know someone that's going to be, this is going to be an absolute lifesaver for them. Inside, you've got essential check-ins, you've got a daily to-do list, notes and reminders, daily gratitude, daily check-ins. It is perfect. 1, for dad's mental health, and 2, for dad to be able to come in and do those things that he needs to do, especially if you're not too sure. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, you're tired, you don't know what's going on, and you think, oh, I've got things I know I could be doing. Dad Plan's going to help you out. It's got those essential to-do lists, and yeah, this, honestly, I absolutely love this. There's also plenty of reminders, there's also little daily challenges, reflections that you can do, all things to make your life and fatherhood a little bit easier, and just gives you the opportunity to make those lasting memories with your little one. If you want to know where you can get all of this, head over to Amazon, grab yourself a copy of the Dad Planner now. Yes, the Dad Planner, an absolute must from Beyond the Pedal. Right, back to the episode. What I have done is, obviously we've changed out the front grille, and we've put the, I don't even know what these are called. I can't remember for the life of me, but again, I'll leave a link in the description for these. How much of an easy job was this? I'll be honest with you, this was an absolute pain in the arse. I've left the silver star on. I know a lot of people like to have it black, but I prefer the black and the silver together. I think it just goes well nicely with the rest of the theme. There are plenty of videos out there to be able to do this. However, taking off that front bumper area is a chew-on. Not gonna lie, it is an absolute chew-on. Level of difficulty, if you haven't got all the right tools and you haven't got a jack, it's probably gonna be about, it's a 5 out of 5 level of difficulty for this sort of stuff. I'm not gonna lie, this was an absolute pain in the arse to do. Sorry I'm rambling on, mainly because straight away when I did the top nuts and bolts, yeah, I dropped one down below, and then I had to wriggle stuff around, and you take all the rivets out. Yes, it is a chew on, but once you do it, and then off the bat, you do have to be careful how you prise bits and pieces out, because the some of the stuff snaps off a little bit, and you're just like, oh my god. However, putting in the new grille, again, I've gone with the AMG look, or the C63 look, and again, these sort of like front, not like a splitter of sorts, but like just like the front, like AirPods, if you will, that aren't really AirPods, but it just gives that bit more of an aggressive look. So yes, what I will say is, again, splitter, super easy, a 1 out of 5 for difficulty, and has lasted forever. If you want to take it up to the sort of next level, then you've got your front grille, and these, again, those, I can't remember what they're called, and it's very embarrassing because I should know. We'll just call them, like, I can't remember what they're called, but there will be a link in the description below for them. Again, these need to be done with the bonnet, with the bumper off. You can't just slot them in this way. It needs to be done. Again, once you've got the bumper off, it is relatively easy to do. It's just a little bit finicky, and you just kind of like pry stuff in. But again, once it is done, I think it looks great. So yes, there it is. Quick and easy video. So again, like I say, here's the car from the front. As you can see there, really does help it make it stand out, give it a lot more of that C63, C43 look, a bit more of an aggressive stance. Personally, I think it looks great. I've got a lot of time for it. Very relatively cheap and easy. I think I've spent a total of about 500 quid so far on those exterior mods. So yeah, right, so there you have it. Every external mod I've done for my CC, I wish, for my AMG Line C200 Mercedes. Again, like I say, I know it's not a tutorial of how to do it. There are plenty of those out there. However, please take in mind take a bit of a pinch of salt with what someone say when it comes to the level of ease. It's not as easy as it looks. It is a bit of a pain. If you can jack your car up to get it done, definitely do, because it will make life easier for you. You are going to need to remove rivetings and stuff, and if you want to put them back on, either rivet them back in, or you can use small cable ties, which work really well as well, because there's a lot of nuts and bolts. It's just really just to kind of secure it in place and stuff. But overall, that's the look of the car. Let me know what you think. Have you got the same? Have you done the same? Or do you think this is a classic sort of thing of, oh, well, you know, you're making your car look like a C63 when you haven't got one? Well, we'll get there in time. So again, useful mods. Hope this video's helped you out. If it has, let me know in the comments below. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, all that jazz. Subscribe. You know the usual YouTube jargon. Anyway, that's me signing off for now. See you on the next one. Bye bye.